Hey divas, so in today's video we are going to be doing swatches and a review on the Gloss Bomb Heat. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Okay divas, so we're gonna jump right into the video. So I do have all 4 of the shades. They did just newly release 3 shades. I may be a little late because I haven't posted in a while, but yeah, so these are the new shades, and I already did like a little Instagram reel on the Gloss Bomb Heat in Hot Cherry. I didn't do like a full-on video because I just didn't want to do like a whole dedicated video for one gloss. So I'm happy that they came out with more. I'm also going to be telling you guys how they compare to the lip gloss, the original Gloss Bombs, as well as the Gloss Bomb Cream. I'll also be able to give you guys a thorough review because I have already experienced with this Hot Cherry one. So let's just jump right in. So here's the package that it comes in. So it is your standard Fenty packaging, and then it also has the color on this side so you guys can know which color you got. So here's the packaging, and it is basically the same as all the Gloss Bombs. The only difference is that it says heat on there so that you can distinguish between the two, and this shade is Fenty Glow. So they did come out with 3 more shades, in which I picked up all of them. I absolutely love Fenty's their lip products, so of course I was going to pick them up. I think I have all the Gloss Bombs except for, I think there's 3 that I don't have, but all the rest of them I do have, as well as the Gloss Bomb Creams. I did do a swatch video on those as well, but anyways, here are the new colors that they came out with. So they came out with a heat Fenty Glow Heat in where's the color? Oh, Fenty Glow, and then Fussy, and then also Hot Chocolate. And I love all of these shades in their original formula, and it looks like they are gonna have some pigment, so I'm super excited for that because yeah, if I love them in the sheer formula, I'm definitely probably gonna love them in this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these on the back of my hand so you guys can see how they look on the back of my hand. I also will be doing lip swatches, but I do want to swatch them on my hand so that you guys kind of get an idea of like how they compare to the other formulas. I do have the other ones in the formulas that they come in so that I can kind of do like a comparison. So yeah, let's just get right into that. Okay, so I'm going to be swatching the hot chocolates. I'm going to swatch the heat as well as its original formula. I really do love the hot chocolate. It's like a really beautiful shade. This one is very sheer though, so I was just really excited to get this. So here they are both swatched on my hand. So the top one is the heat gloss, and this one is very much more pigmented, as you guys can see. And then here is the original formula for hot chocolate. So here's both of them swatched. So at the top you can see here, Fenty Glow looks a lot darker. It actually looks more like the gloss is giving off that same effect, but it just has a little bit more pigment. And then this one is the Gloss Bomb Cream in Fenty Glow. As you guys can see, it looks a lot more creamy, and it also seems to be a lighter pink. So although these are the same color, you guys are seeing that they have different effects. I would definitely say that this one compares more to the original formula of the Fenty Glow. But yeah, here they are both swatched onto my hand. Now they're both appearing to be quite sheer. So this is the Heat Gloss Bomb at the top, and then here is the original at the bottom. So the original definitely seems like it is more of like a softer baby light pink, while the Heat Gloss in Fussy seems to be a little bit darker, almost very similar to the Fenty Glow shade. However, it does have like a little bit of a different pink hue. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it is slightly different. But however, these two are the same shade essentially, but in the different finishes, and they definitely look different. So even if you have both of them, like, I'm happy that they look very different, because yeah, it would be crazy for me to keep repeating, even though I'm gonna do it anyway. Now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these on the lips. I am going to be swatching them alone. I'm not going to be pairing them with liner or lipstick. I just want you guys to see how they look. My lips are a little bit pigmented at the top, or probably a lot. Like, I feel like my top lip is very dark. I'm just wearing lip balm now, so this is the original color of my lip. But yeah, so I'm gonna be swatching it and everything. I'm also gonna tell you guys the effect of the Heat Gloss Bombs, because as I told you guys before, I already have experience with it because I have the Hot Cherry one. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and swatch, and then we're gonna finish out with the closing thoughts. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen the hand swatches as well as the lip swatches and also comparison to the Gloss Bomb original formula as well as the Gloss Bomb cream, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about these and just overall just give you guys my thoughts on whether or not I would recommend it. So as far as these go, I really do like them. I really enjoy this one. This one is so amazing. If you guys don't know, I absolutely love lip plumper. While I do have full lips, I like my lips to always be as full as they can be, okay? Because sometimes when I contour them with my lip liner, it just makes them look smaller because I don't have like super full lips, but they are full, if that makes any sense. So yeah, lip plumper is my absolute best friend, okay? I use all different kind of lip plumpers. Before this one came out, I absolutely was in love with Too Faced lip injection and the lip injection extreme because those are the only ones that I could find that I really thoroughly enjoyed. But when these came along, I was like, yes honey. I was so happy because I love Fenty gloss bombs anyways, and I was just like, yes, I have another option. I don't like being limited. So these definitely give you that plumped effect, which I really do like because I told you guys I love my lips to look as full as they can. So yeah, the formula does work as far as the plumping goes, but not only that, it leaves your lips feeling very moisturized, and they also come in some really cute colors. The colors are not like super pigmented, but they're not also super sheer, so they have like, they're like somewhere in the happy medium, as you guys can see from the swatches on my hand as well as on my lips. And they do look different from my hand and my lips because that's just how it works. Like with every swatch, like it looks different when you're gonna apply, like from where you're going to apply it. So overall, all in all, like I love these Gloss Bomb Heats. I think that they did an amazing job with these. I'm so excited to see if they're gonna come out with like some new colors and maybe something that can potentially be like more pigmented so that I can wear it like as a lip combo with just a liner and that alone. I feel like I can get away with these with just wearing just a liner and it will still be a look. So would I recommend these? I would say to definitely go ahead and pick them up because they are really nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I do want to say thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate you supporting me and watching me, and I hope that this video was very helpful and easy to follow. If you did find it helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you picked these up, which formula you like the best, or just leave me a comment, leave me emojis. I would love to just have something from you that will make me really happy. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. It is greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.